How to do factory reset Redmi A5 if you want to do factory reset. So very simple to do it. First of all, you need to you need to turn it off by pressing power button. Simply power off. If your power button having issue, it is opening Google Assistant or digital assistant, and no power menu is showing. I have given link in description another video. I have shown that how you can change, you can bring back power menu. So after powering off, first of all you need to press power button and then volume up button, and if you press both buttons, after that just whenever you see the logo, just simply release the power button and keep pressing volume up button, and then you will see here now before going to do factory data reset, you can simply, first of all you can click on wipe cache partition and then yes, and after that you can simply by pressing volume down button just go to wipe data factory reset, click on that and click factory data reset. So how very simple to do it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.